Good morning, dear students. So, welcome to our Army online classes. So, students, in today's classes, I will teach that in the fourth standard. So, that is chapter fifth chapter in division. So, in yesterday, in the already three videos already, I will teach that the basic concept that is the divisions. So that. First is get set to complete afterwards exercise 4B. So already yesterday classes we already discussed that the properties of divisions. So applied some exercise also already solved that. In today classes students that is you know that especially divisions that is a main four parts. We take two in four parts that is the divisor, dividend, quotient and the remainder. So yesterday classes with the formulas already I will explain. In today classes we are going to learn that exercise 5B. So 5B means students you have to open the page number that is 59 page number. So divide and check your answers. Divide and check your answers means use the formula students. So that is formulas that is. So what is the formulas? The dividend is equal to divisor into. So that is a quotient plus remainder. So already I told yesterday classes already I told the what is so first is you have to take first number. This is the symbol of that is the divisions. Students, this is what divisor, dividend. So you have to consider quotient. So down is that is a remainder. Students, so that is in the first in exercise 5B. So first, what is the first? That is a divide and check your answers. So I solved two questions in today classes. The remaining questions I will give to today's in that homework. Okay, students. So can so the first meaning. What is the first meaning? That is a divide. Divide and check. Divide and check answers. Students, this is first you have to divide. You check two answers. So you check two answers and you use the formulas. That is the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus that is a remainder. Yes, students. So now, so first you have to write and check two methods means we use the formulas. First question is what is the first mean? So that is a question, that is the question number, the first name, that is question number A. So 2926 divided 9. Students, so yesterday already you solved these questions. So can you observe this? So this is what is the name of this 2976? This is you have to consider that is a dividend. So in divide that is a 9. 9 is a that is divisor. Okay, students, first you have to write the solution. Just you arrange them. That is, the symbol of that is 9 is a divisor. Students, what is that? 9 is a divisor. 9 is divisor. So that is 2926. So this is a dividend. So you now you have to find that is a dividend, quotient and the remainder, because already given that divisor and quotient. So now you find that. So that is a quotient and a remainder. Yes, students. So first you have to use the division method. That is the common division method. So first you have to take in one digit. So one digit is 2 students. So 2 is if you comparing the dividend and division, 2 is very less. So you take in 2 digits, 29. So 29 nearest is the number of in 9 table. So that is students, that is a 9 3 is a 26. 9 is a 9 2 is 8, 9 3 is a 27. Yes. So 9 3 is a 27. This is the nearest number in 9 table. So how to do subtracted 9 minus 7 2. So 0 minus 2 minus 2, that is a 0. So you have to take in down number 2. So 22. Yes, students, 22 you have to search in 9 table. So not, but you have to take the nearest number. What is the nearest number in 22? So that is 18. So 18, how much in 9 table? 9 2s are. Students, that is what? 9 2s are 18. So you have to do subtracted. So 2 minus 8 is not possible. You have to take this carry. So 12 minus 8. So that is 4 here. We have to remaining for 1 here because you take the side carries, you left for 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Last number you have to take it down. Sorry, it's 6. Students, you have to take for that down 46. So 46, students, that 46 is what is the but 46 is near, you search the 9th level, not, but you have to, the nearest number is that is 45. So 9, how much that is a 45? 9 5 is a 45, you have to write here quotient, 9 5 is a 35. You know that 46 minus 35 or 6 minus 1, that is 1, here 0. Students can observe. So this is 1, you know, this is a divisor. This is already, you know, dividend. So this is what, student? This is a quotient. This is what? This is a remainder. Students, can you observe here? What is the value of the quotient? Quotient value, that is 225. So that is the remainder is 1. Students, what is the question? Still you have to observe the question on that. So divide and check your answer. Check your answer means you use the formulas. Students, you use the formulas means that is, again I told that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus that is the remainder. So you check the methods means. So next step, what is the next step? You know, students, that is checking method. So dividend is equal to the divisor, quotient plus remainder. Students, you don't forget this formulas. So you use the checking method. This formula is what? The dividend is equal to divisor. So divisor into, so dividend is equal to, so divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Students, now you have to fill up the values. So what is that? What is the value? Already given that dividend. So dividend, what is the value? Dividend means, so that is 2926 is a dividend. Students, you know, the 2926 is a, that is a dividend. So next is what? So next you have to fill up the value, that is a divisor. So students, what is the value of the divisor? You know, that is the divisor is, so 9. So you know, divisor is what, student? Divisor is 9. Next into, so what is the quotient? The quotient value is, that is 320. So plus, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So you have to know that checking, you check to LHS is equal to RHS. How are we to check to now? So 2926. Students, can you observe here? First you have to multiply that 325 into 9. 45, so carry, so 4 to 9 to the 18, 4, 22. So next one, 9 is 27, so 27 again plus 2, 29. So 29 plus 1, students. So because you know you have to plus that, this is the, what is the value? So 325 into 9, the value is 2925. Afterwards you have to 2 plus 1. So students, can you observe? So LHS is equal to RHS because in right and left side will be, that is that is answers will be, that is same, because this is a checking method. This is what, students? So this is the, so divide and check your answers. We use this method. Okay. Okay, students. So next you have to go to in again one questions. I will explain to that in E1 questions. So remaining questions I will do to today's homework, students. So now can you observe in E1 question what is that E? So because so I will comparing, that is A1 question is that the 9, next is 21, 49 is given. So students, now I will solve that I last one question because we given that 83. This is a more digit. So this is what in last digit, that is question number I. So question number I, what is that value? 83. So what is the checking method, students? Again, you remaining questions I will give to homework. Okay, so next question, that is last question in this main, in I1 question. So can you observe in that I, what is the question number for that I? So that is 4906 divided 86. The question is 4,906. So 86. Now for the numbers. Students, first you have to take the two digits. So you're comparing them both because 49 is very less. So you have to take them more 3 digits. So 439. So this is the one student, that is 18. So 24 and 25. So you have to take for that 86, 83. So 83 less students. Again you have to take for that 86, 5. So this is a 13. 8 5 is 40, 43. So better now to take it 86 5 is 86 5 is 430. What is the remaining answer? Here 0, here 6, 0. Now to take it down 8. Students, 86 how much now to take in next number? So 86 9 is you have to take it 86. 86 9 is so 9. So 9 54, that is 54. 72, 70. Taking next 86. Students, sorry that given 83 number, not for here 86. I have to take here 83. 83 5 50, 1 carry the 40, 41. Yes. 450 now to take it 5 so this is 5, so 8 plus 1 7 0. Now you have to take it 8. So next you have to take that 83 9 83 9 27 72 74. Students, 83 9 7,004. Sorry, 747. So here 1 1 0. Students, what is the remainder is, that is 11. So this is you have to consider. This is a quotient. So already given that. So divide and division. Students, now you have to fill up that. So next is what steps. So this is finishing afterwards. So this is solved afterwards. We go to checking method. So checking method, students, you know what is the value of the dividend? So dividend is 4,908. So what is the value of the divisor? So divisor is, you know, student, that is 83. So into quotient is 59. So plus remainder is 11. Students, now you have to, what is the step? Next step, to know that. Next step you have to multiply 83 and so 4,908 is equal to, so 83 into 59. Students, can you observe for here? You have to multiply in first to 83 and 59. So 9 is 27. So 9 8 72, 72 plus 2 74 here plus students. So next you have to multiply this. So 5 is what, students? 5 3 is 15. So next 5 8 is 40, 40 plus 1 41. So 7 9 8 because 4 plus 5, that is 9. 7 plus 1 8 4. What is the next you have to convert? That is 11 because you have to 11. So what is the answers for here? 8 here 0. So next 9. Students, you have to just compare that because so 83 into, students, you know that is 83 into 59. What is the value? So that is 4,897. Afterwards, you have to must should you have to do next in addition. So that's 4,897 plus 11. Students, that is the both because the RHS is equal to LHS. So that is equal that. So this is a method of checking, especially the check your answers. That is a divide method, students. Okay. I hope that all understood in this checking methods. So again, to in first instance, given to A to I, A and I questions already solved. Middles in A, C, D, and E, F. So this is very easy. Using same method, students. So first you have to solve in divide. Afterwards you have to solve that checking method. Okay. So next, remaining questions assignment, students. Okay. Next again, next main. So find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and the remainder. So we will use in the same method, students, because that you find it. So just in quotient and remainder. Okay. In same method. Students, in second, what is the second? Find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Yes, quotient and the remainder. So what is the now? Students, question, what is the question A? That is 6,952 divided 52. Students, so this is what is the 6,952? What is the value? What is the value? You know, that is what is the name. So this is you have to consider this is the dividend. So this is 52 is a divisor. You see, we have used a common division of the students. So first you have to arrange the numbers. First you have the solution. So 52 is you have to write for here in divisor value. So afterwards 6,952. Students, first you have to take in 2 digits. You have to use the common division method. So 52 ones are 52. So you have to do subtracted. 9 minus 2, that is the 7. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1. So you have to take it down. 75. Students, 75. What is the nearest number of the 75 in the 52 table? So 52, 3 is students, you have to check in this. 5 is a 6, 6 5 is a 15 because you have to take it 5, 52, 3 is a 156. You have to subtract it. So 5 minus 6, students, not possible. You have to take the side carry. So this is 15. So 15 minus 6, that is a 9. So you are remaining for 6, 6 plus 5. That is a 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Next you have to take it down 2. So students, 9, 1, 9, 2. What is the value? So 192. So 192 means the what we have to search to nearest in 52 table. So 52 4s are what? 8. That is the 20. This is bigger number. You again have to take in 3. 52 3s are 156. Remaining. So that is 2 minus 6 is not possible. You have to take the side carry. This is 2. That is 6. You have to remaining for that 8. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. That is a 3. 0. Students, you know this is what is that? So quotient was the find the quotient and the remainder. So students, you know that therefore the quotient is equal to. So what is the quotient? So that is 133 in the remainder, students. Remainder is 36. So just you have to find the quotient and the remainder. Students, just you have to find to remainder, quotient and the remainder. Yes. So you will use the same checking method. So just you have to justify the methods. Means first what is the value divided. So divided 9,052. So divisor is what? So 52 into. You know already find that quotient 133. So remainder is what, students? Remainder is left, that is a 36. You use the same common method already, you know, that is checking method also use that. So 6,952 into, so 1 3 into 52. Students, you know, that is a 6 6. So 2. So 15 again, 15 in 16. So 5 ones are 5. That is a 6. 6, that is what? 1, 7, so that is 9, 6. So last you have to subtract 36. 52, 9, 6. Students, can you observe here? So 52 into 132. 52 into 132 means that is a 6,916. Of course, you have to add in. Already afterwards I will add in 36. So what is the value? So both, because you know this is both 6,952 in LHS. In RHS also that is a 6,952. This is also common checking method, students. So first questions you will use the common division methods. Afterwards you checking the methods. But here in second one, first you have to find the quotient and the remainder. So last you have to you know that necessary means you have to check this divide method. But last part in question only, what is the question for that? Only you have to find the quotient and the remainder. Just you have to quotient and the remainder. Okay, students. So next I will show to in this main again one question, that is So 63. E question now I solve to E. So again remaining questions to that is I will give to your homework students, because again I will E questions now I will solve to in the second way. Students, what is the E question? So E 8,881 8,881 divided 8,881 divided 63. This is enough to consider, students, 8,881 63 divided. Students, can you? So you have to take in two digits. So yes, 63 ones are 63. What is that? So students, 8 minus 3. So 5. Again 8 minus 6 is 2. So students, you have to take in 8. So 258. What is the nearest of 258 in this question? So you have to take in 4 za. So 63 4 za 12. So this is 24 and 25. So 6 za 602. So we have to take in down 1. So students can observe 61. So 61 means, so we have to take in again 0 means 0 is a 61. So now you have to take in, that is what is the value of, so even 4 sum. So students, what is that? This is the remaining. Therefore, you have to write for here quotient. What is the value of the quotient? So quotient is 1 for 140. The remainder is left for 61. Yes, and already I have find that. What is the, students? What is the value of the quotient? Quotient is 140. So remainder is 61. So yes, students, in so exercise 5B. So first mean, second mean completed, because first mean already 2 questions I solved. So remaining means you solved in your home. In second mean also already A and B could already I solved. So remaining questions we will use the same method. Okay, students. In the next classes, so I will explain that in this exercise in 5th B in third main. So next classes I will take to continue. Thank you, students.